It's late at night. You're lying in bed, scrolling through YouTube shorts, and then one video stops you cold. A 2D football animation, two 2D character players, one missed penalty, one ridiculous commentator voice, nothing technically impressive. You check the views, 4 million, you check the channel, same style over and over. Another video, 3 million views, another 6 million. One channel posting nothing but simple animated football skits, pulling in more views per week than most creators get in a year. You search for how these channels are made. Every tutorial you find wants you to learn After Effects, or buy a $60 a month animation tool, or spend 6 months getting good at illustration. None of it built for someone who just wants to post today. You close the laptop, that creator just uploaded another clip while you were still reading the first tutorial. I know that exact feeling, because I was stuck in it too until I found a workflow that builds full football comedy animations using two tools that are both completely free. No animation software, no drawing skill, no editing background, just a system that works from your very first video. Let me show you exactly how, just for you. Here's what I've built. A 100% free football comedy animation engine. One master prompt system, link in the description below. Built only for this exact workflow. Copy that prompt, you can get it from the description below. Go to Claude, free plan. That's tool number 1, and that's all you need for it. Paste the prompt, hit send, and watch what it asks you first. Your video language. This one choice changes everything. Choose whatever language you want. Like if you choose English, your entire world transforms. British, American, Australian, Western names, Western culture, Western settings. Choose Hindi and your characters become Indian. Your settings, atmosphere, and dialogues all change accordingly. One prompt, 3 completely different worlds. For this example, I'm choosing English. Next, Claude asks for your video duration, anywhere up to 10 minutes. Let's go with 60 seconds. Now here's where it gets interesting. 5 story categories appear: match day, chaos; locker room, banter fan, and stadium comedy, transfer window drama, parody rivalry, and trash talk showdown. For this example, we'll choose match day chaos. Hit send. Now Claude provides you 5 distinct story ideas for this category. Choose which story idea do you want, reply with a number. For this video, I'm choosing number 4, penalty panic. Hit send. And Claude does something remarkable. It generates a complete 60-second dialogue-only script. Because we chose English, every line of dialogue is in English. Now Claude asks one more question. Do you want character design prompts? Type yes. And here's where the magic really begins. Claude generates a detailed prompt for every single character in your story. Not just the prompt, but the exact file name for each one. That detail matters more than you think. You'll see why in a moment. For Penalty Panic, it creates 5 characters, 5 prompts, and 5 matching file names. Everything is mapped out. Now Claude asks one final question. Do you want environment prompts for every location? Yes, we do, but not yet. Before you continue, here's one important rule. Only move to the next step once your current step is completely finished. You're using Claude's free plan, and sending prompts too quickly back-to-back will hit your usage limit much faster than you'd expect. Give it a little space, let each step finish before moving on. Right now, before we generate environments, we need to complete every character sheet. Copy your first character prompt. Go to Google Flow. Open a new project. Click Characters in the left sidebar. Now, one important thing before you continue. If you want 100% character consistency, don't skip a single second of what comes next. Skip this part, and you'll be the one in the comments asking why your characters keep changing. Make sure the Nano Banana 2 model is selected. Paste your first character prompt. Hit send. While it's generating, go back to Claude AI and copy that character's file name. This step matters more than it seems right now. Within seconds, your first character sheet is ready. Rename it using that exact file name. One thing you don't need to worry about is voice selection. Google Flow handles that automatically based on your character and dialogue. Now repeat the same process for character 2. Go back to Claude AI, copy the second character prompt, return to Google Flow. In the character sidebar, click New Character, paste the prompt, hit send, rename it, same process, repeat for every single character. Here's what it looks like once you're done. Every character from your story is generated and renamed with its exact file name. Your entire cast is ready. Now go back to Claude AI. Type yes. It's time to generate every environment your story needs. Now let's generate every environment image. Go back to Claude AI. Copy the environment prompt, return to the Google Flow, paste everything into the prompt box, hit generate. Now watch what happens. The environment in your story is generated. Now go back to Claude AI. It asks one more important question. Do you want image prompts first and then animate them? Or do you want video clips generated directly using everything we've built? We're choosing the second option. Direct video generation with full character and environment consistency. Within seconds, something remarkable happens. Claude creates 14 complete scene prompts. Each one has a file name, the exact characters involved, the correct environment, a full 60-second story broken into 14 precise scenes. Copy every prompt. Go back to the same Google Flow project, the one with your characters, the one with your environments. Now pay close attention. This next step matters. You have two options. Rename every environment image manually using Claude's file names or use the shortcut. Open the Zapiwala extension. If you don't have it, simply search on Chrome Extension Web Store, download and add it. Now make sure agent mode is off. Choose video mode. Select ingredient, aspect ratio, 16:9 output. Per prompt, 1. And here's the setting that changes everything. Make sure the OmniFlash model is selected. The results from this model are incredible. Set each clip duration to 6 seconds. Now return to the extension. Turn character consistency on. That single toggle is the difference between a professional-looking video and a broken one. Paste all 14 video prompts into the prompt box. Watch what happens. The extension automatically detects which characters and environments belong in every scene. Turn auto download on. Turn include serial number on. Choose your output folder, hit generate. Now the magic happens. Every scene is built automatically. Every character stays consistent. Every environment appears exactly where it should. One important rule while it's running: don't switch tabs. Don't minimize your browser. Disable any other automation extensions. Otherwise, you may end up with duplicate downloads. Again, this is a free tool thanks to Zapiwala. 14 scenes, about 1 minute. When it's finished, every video clip is waiting in your output folder. Now comes the easy part. Open your favorite video editor. Import every clip. Drag them onto the timeline in order. Remove any unnecessary silent gaps. This entire edit takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Do one final preview. One last stop before uploading. Go back to Claude AI. It's already asking, do you want YouTube metadata? Type yes. Within seconds, you get a viral title, a complete description, hashtags, tags, everything ready to upload. So here's my question. That creator you saw at night, the one your age, or maybe even younger, with millions of views, you now have the exact same workflow they're using. The only difference left is whether you open this tomorrow or close this tab and forget about it. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Small creators like me grow entirely because of your support. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see how a simple Stickman video crossed 7.5 million views using nothing but still images, you can't afford to miss the video on your screen right now.